everybody, and welcome to Koshi GUmi channel. Today we will be making red oobleck. Okay, so the only ingredients are cornstarch and water, and if you want, food coloring. Alright, so first we're going to put in the cornstarch. Should be enough. Okay, and then we're gonna put in some water. And then we're gonna put in some food coloring. And mix it. Okay, so I finished making the oobleck, and now we can play with it. I didn't make a really big batch, so it's kind of thin. You can make even more than this if you wanted. My plan was to make it red, but it turned pink instead. And I didn't really want to put any more because there's barely enough cornstarch in it, and food coloring is a liquid. So, I don't know if it would make much of a difference if I put the food coloring in, but at the, when I started making it, when I was mixing it, I realized that it was almost water. So I put more cornstarch in, and now it's this consistency. And it's weird because it's like a solid when you put a lot of force into it, but then it's like a liquid when you let it go. Solid liquid. I don't know whether this is a solid or a liquid, but it's a very, very, very weird thing. Can't really do much with it except for play with it, but I barely have enough to play with because it's a really thin batch if I put it in a plate. So if I put it in a bowl, it might be easier to play with, but it is pretty satisfying. Let's put a little bit more cornstarch. When I meant a little more, I meant a lot more. I mean, it's not that much, but it's way more than a little. would turn more of a solid now. Instead of its name being Oobleck, I think it should be Oobleck. You might not hear it different, but right now it is called Oobleck. I think this should be called Oobleck because it really does ooze everywhere. I put some more food coloring in it. Maybe I'll make a darker pink, or maybe it will turn into red. I don't know. But, yeah. This reminds me of that day when I went to school and there was a cup of coffee spill and it was just draining down the subway. It's really cool. Ooh. Oopsie daisy. Some water spilled. Kind of looks like a really unique art here. It looks like marble is what I mean. And marble always is unique because you can never, ever have the same marble with somebody else unless if you print out a marble paper. But yeah. Ooh. anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and also leave a like so I can do more sciencey things. And yeah, that concludes today's video. Goodbye.